Hey there, CPO here, and I'm out at my buddy's shop just south of Edgewater, Maryland, and I'm going to be checking out this product. This is the BeadBuster XB-550. I got this so that I could easily break down the beads on my Jeep wheels. I've got the Hutchinson Rock Monsters, and even though they're bead locks and I can disassemble them, I still need to be able to break those beads. So this is supposed to be the tool that will allow me to do that easily using this and a battery-powered impact. So my buddy Jason has some tires that need to be broken down. We need to pull some TPMS sensors out of some wheels, and we need to swap some tires on rims. This is a perfect opportunity to test this thing and see if it works the way we hope it does. All right, so this is the BeadBuster. It comes somewhat disassembled, only in the fact that we need to add in this little lever to the mix. It's broken apart, probably just for shipping. So there is a wing nut that I almost lost just then. And we're gonna put this foot in, curved towards the base. All right, like that. And then there is this bolt, and this is just gonna go in the top. This is what's gonna send that bottom foot down to push that bead. Just like that. All right, it does come with this little magnetic spacer that you can take off if you don't need it. This is for using with smaller wheels, like ATV wheels, so we're not gonna need that for this application, but just know it's there, and it's just magnetic. You can set it in there. It's a little plastic spacer. So what I do have, I brought some soap.
Oh, okay, yeah.
To give us a little bit of a... So the way this is supposed to work is this controls, so we probably need to remove, is this just a,
I mean, it's on there.
It's on there,
yeah,
okay.
It's not a...
So how would that work then?
Go through the side here? Because I think this comes out.
Yeah, this is the foot which presses. And then that's going to slam into there. But it's going to actually end up pushing against this. I guess that's okay, huh?
Yeah, I don't know. We'll find out. This wheel's going to the dump, so this is a good one to test on.
So basically,
Tighten that down there.
perpendicular with the wheel. Okay. Go through there. Nice. That actually worked really well.
That worked great.
Okay, it was too easy. Something's wrong.
No, I just... We'll do the other side just for fun. And it doesn't look like it bent anything.
Yeah. And this rubber thing on the foot is supposed to keep it from scratching anything. And what they say you do is, yeah, just slide it actually.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, it can't.
That would definitely be. If you had bead locks, that'd be awesome. Cool to have in your bag.
All right, so we broke that first bead and it actually worked out really easily. That was the first time I've ever used this, and it worked exactly like I expected it to. The one thing we were concerned about is with the way these wheels are, this is sort of a part of the wheel. It's not removable like a hubcap, and it didn't scratch or mar the finish at all. This little rubber protector on the foot actually did a great job. So what I'm using here is just a little bit of dishwashing soap and water just as a lubricant, and then getting the foot where it's flat across the bottom, making sure this is spread out, and then literally just shoving it up in there as far as I can. Then the goal here is to screw this until this is straight up and down with the wheel, and then this will drive that foot down. That's it. It's surprisingly effective. And that's a broke bead right there. So that's completely broken down with a very simple, easy to throw in the toolbox tool. So that's impressive. And as you can see, even though these aren't super nice wheels, it doesn't damage the finish at all on them. So that's another bonus. So the cool thing about this 550 size is it can handle these big boy tires as well. Too easy. All right, so here is a little tip. When you flip it upside down, the face of this wheel is going to hit the concrete unless you have it protected. So we're just using a floor mat for that. All right, guys, so that is the BeadBuster XB-550. This thing really does work as advertised. I was surprised actually how simple it was to get the hang of. Like the first time we used it, it just worked. The one key, of course, make sure you let the air out of the tire, remove the core, is the way we did it, because you don't want to try and bust a bead while it's still inflated. Anyway, guys, thanks to BeadBuster for letting me check this out. It really is cool. I'm glad to have it in my toolkit. I will probably do a video eventually showing how I'm using this to break down my Hutchinson bead locks. But right now I don't want to break them down because I don't need to. And yeah, why would I do that? So that's why I'm out here at my buddy Jason's shop. So Jason, thanks for letting me hang out with you this afternoon and help you break down some tires. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you on the next one.